the county felt that it was important to invest in this project for a couple of different reasons, but most importantly because of the good work that had gone on at Student U. If you recall, quite frankly, over the 10-year window, about 92% of the children who was in that first cohort at Student U had an opportunity to go on to college. That's extremely important and impressive. And so we wanted to basically make sure that if we were going to make these investments, given that the model had in fact proven itself, that it would give us an opportunity to make investments in hopes of expanding these opportunities. One of the biggest roles that the county played was making about a $4.2 million investment on the financial side. We hope that going forward, as we think about many again of the workforce development issues that we face in our community, we'll be able to find some meaningful ways in order to again expand that footprint and give us an opportunity to leverage other partnerships in the community to support this effort, private, nonprofit, and others. Well, I get excited for the young people, for the families and the children, obviously, who will grace the halls and have an opportunity to experience the good work that's going on at Student U. I also get excited about the opportunities of having one more contributing factor to bringing the old Fayetteville Street corridor back to life, because the truth of the matter is that we've seen a lot of great growth and development occur within our downtown and throughout Durham, and so it just seems like a natural progression for us to begin to think about how we move along that progression in Fayetteville Street, hence connecting North Carolina Central University campus and other things along that corridor with our great downtown. The single most important challenge that we have going forward is doing a good job in the space around developing human capital. We create an immense amount of jobs in the community, but in terms of the skill sets that we're producing to take those jobs, we fall a little short. I think that if we can do a good enough job partnering with our friends in the private sector to support this initiative being Student U, as well as other nonprofits who could bring value in that space, we get business, government, and education sort of singularly aligned around the work that's going on there. I think it offers an opportunity for us to really expand this model. Well, the collective impact essentially will be these big challenges that we face as a community. I just left a presentation a few minutes ago for our Med Week, Minority and Economic Development. We've had great success here in Durham on the one hand, but it is in fact a tale of two cities. We still have census tracts in our community that have some fairly significant poverty rates. We have high rates of child poverty. Our overall poverty rate is about 18%. And so what this collective impact will be for Durham is if we can get young people and families of education, which I believe is the most transformative impact that you can have on a person's life, then I think that everybody benefits.